Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is GBPCAD. So let's come back and check the date and the time right here, which we always do. It is currently 11:20 p.m. Wednesday, 10th of June 2026 in EST. Okay, so come back to my chart. What are we doing here? We are going long. Okay, so we are... Okay, so this is your down move, this is your uptrend, this is your HL higher low. Okay, so this is your pullback or higher low, and we have to go take down the previous high before we fall, before we dump down. Okay, so I think we're gonna dump down, but before that we have to take down this previous swing high. Okay, so I'm going long right now. At this candle, I'm gonna go long because the price needs to touch my black line first before coming further down. Okay, so my money is on long position here, and the take profit is 8686, so probably 40 pips in this trade. Okay, however, I am not going to personally take this trade because I am already into other trade, into some other pair. Okay, and I have placed all my money into that pair, so I don't have enough money left to take more trades, and that's not a good idea either. You should not take more than one trade at a time anyway. Okay, I am doing this just to tell you what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna enter long here. If I have to trade, I will enter long here, and I will take my profits right here. Okay, I am already into some other trade. I'll show you that trade when I have booked my profits with screenshot. Okay, so till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with the take profit videos. So this is GBPCAD. So let's check the date and the time right here. And if I refresh, it is 8:49 p.m. Thursday, 11th of June 2026 in EST. The trade was closed, I think, hours before. I was sleeping, obviously, and this is the candle. This red candle was the one, or even this one, actually. 11th of June shows in my country. So this was the candle which touched my black line, and then the price kept going up. So that was none, when I am out of the trade, then it's none of my business. Okay, so this was the candle which touched my take profit line, and I think we might have entered somewhere here. Okay, whatever. Okay, so you can go and see the beginning of the video and where did we enter. But the bottom line is what I said happened. Okay, if I make money or not, I don't care. What I care about is if I was right or not. What gives me pleasure is being right, being correct. Okay, that's why I make these videos. I don't make these videos that somebody will pay me the money. I know most people can't even afford. Okay, so I'm not making these videos that you buy from me. I know you can't afford. Maybe most people can't afford. Okay, so I make these videos just because I like it. I like to be right, I like to be correct. That's why I make these videos. Okay, anyway, so it's done, right? We book our profits, and what else can I say? If you want to help yourself and do this, because so you're watching this video when everything already happened. I told you this happened while I was sleeping. Okay, my take profits were booked when I was, obviously, I don't know, sleeping in my dreams. Okay, so if you want these setups before they happen, make sure you join the program Swing Like a Pro. If you don't, then just keep watching these videos and keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, find the link somewhere, maybe below the video, maybe in my Telegram, wherever you see this video. Find the link, join the program, help yourself. If you don't help yourself, nobody else is responsible. Till then, see you again.